Hello, my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you another unboxing from Chanel. So I took a trip in to my local Nordstrom's to visit one of my sales associates at the Chanel counter. And so I went in there to pick up a couple items and re-up on one item. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. So here is the lovely packaging. And this was that beautiful packaging I shared with you before from Mother's Day. So cute, right? And so first, something that I wanted to re-up on, I went in there for my LaBeijas Touch the Tint Water Fresh Complexion Touch. And I'm in the shade B50. You guys, I have shared this with you. This is my go-to foundation water tint for the summertime because I don't like anything heavy on my face during the summer. You know, we sweat, do all of that. And so I just like to go over my face with a nice water tint. So it's getting hot here and I wanted to re-up on this for the summer because the current one that I'm on will not last me through the summer. So as you know, it comes like this. So you get your water tint here and then you get a nice little brush. I have used this in a pinch, like up under my eyes. So there is that water tint there. And again, that's the reason why I went in there, because look at my one that I have right now from last summer. I have just the tiniest little bit left. So yeah, I definitely had to re-up on that. And you know, it comes in that pump style like that. So I have a little bit to use. And then this is my new summer one. So again, I'm in the shade B50 for reference. But yeah, that's what I went in there to pick up, you guys. So that was the first item I picked up. And I also love to travel with that foundation. So, you know, I love the House Labs. I use that one more in the winter time because it has that glowy effect. So it's nice on me during the winter. And so for spring, summer is when the Chanel tint comes in for me, or any other tint, you know, that I use during the summertime. I have a La Mer one that I use as well, but I love that Chanel one. So again, pick that up. Now, the next reason, I was going out with my husband. Normally, I have a glammed up look on my eye for date night, but this particular date night, it was real subtle. It was a real neutral, subtle look, no shimmer, nothing like that. So when my eyes are played down, with my lips, I play it up. So I do the reverse. Not often, you guys, because you know I'm a nude girl when it comes to my lips. I always play up the eyes and have a nude lip. But again, this particular date night, my eyes was really subtle, so I wanted to play up my lips. And I know we were going out eating and drinking and partying, so I know I wanted to use one of my favorite lipsticks that I always talk about from Chanel. Because when I go out with that lipstick, you guys, I don't even have to reapply it. So I can eat, I can drink, and it stays on the entire night. And for that, you guys, I'm talking about the La Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue lippies from Chanel. Y'all, if y'all don't have one of these, I don't know where you've been. You definitely haven't been watching me. Because I talk about these so much, you guys. These are my favorite going out lippies. But the problem that night, y'all know, again, I'm a nude girl. When I went into my collection to try to find something that I don't wear often, like a bright red or bright pink, I didn't have any in this formula. All of the pinks and stuff that I had was just like, you know, Dior lippies, just regular lippies. It wasn't this Tenue formula. So then I just end up wearing something I had to reapply that night. And so I had it on my list to do. The next time I go into Chanel, I'm going to pick me out two nice bright lippies to wear in this formula. So that's what I did, y'all. My first one is number 59, Shocking Pink. So, y'all. Look at that. Look how bright that pink is. You might can't see it that well, y'all, but it is bright. And I can't wait. And so do you see how it looks like this flower on this bag? And I'm going to swatch these for you. And so the next one I picked up was a red, you guys. And this one is in number 47, Darling Red. Look how bright that one is. I know you see my fingerprints all over it, but that was my reasoning for going in there. For two bright colors to add to my collection in this formula that I can wear out on the days that I want a bright lipstick. So I grabbed some from my collection. All these are in a nudish, pinkish, light type of color, which that was not what I was going for. I wanted something like this. So anywho, I got these. And if you don't know about these tenues, again, I don't know where you've been, but you have one side with your lipstick color on it. You have the other side with a clear gloss type of formula that actually locks the lipstick in as well. So let me just share these colors with you. Look at that bright red. Ooh. See, now that's what I was going for. When I want to pop, again, not very often, but I do it occasionally. So here is that Shocking Pink. And look at that, y'all. Those are the two shades right there. I'm definitely happy now that I have one of each of these in my collection for when I need that pop of color on my lips that I desire. So that is the two lippies that I picked up. And again, if you don't have the Ultra Tenues, go get you one. You'll thank me later. Then this is a new lip serum that Chanel came out with. It's part of their Hydra Beauty line. And it's just a serum to prep your lips before you apply things like that. So I'm interested to try this one out. I have not yet tried it yet. And it has that same packaging as my nail prep. So this will be easy to take with me. So if you can recall, I've shared this with you as well. This is that nail oil that I used from Chanel. So yeah, it has that same type of tip there. So yeah, I'm excited to try this lip serum out. So yeah, pick that one up. And then the last item I picked up, y'all, was something I wasn't intending on getting at all, because when I first shared with you this collection, when it first came out, I skipped this item because I said, it's similar to something else I already had. And so when I purchased this collection, it was not in stores yet, so I could only go by the pictures I saw. But y'all, when I was visiting my Nordstrom rep, this was still available and out on display. And I swatched it and I said, but it's different, so I have to have it. It's this item right here from that Ocean collection. I will link this video at the end so you can see all what I picked up when this collection first came out. But you guys, when I swatched this on my hand, it was so glittery and pretty. And so I picked it up, y'all. I picked it up for my Nordstrom wrap. So let's just see this item here. So it comes in the velvet packaging. Here it is right here. And I thought this would be just great for summer, just to give me like that mermaid glow. And so what got me is it has this blue undertone to it. So I don't know if you're going to pick it up. It's very iridescent and has that blue undertone. So that's what made me like it. When I originally saw it, a picture of it, when I bought the collection, I thought I have this big old thing here, which is very oversized, and it's that illuminator in pearly white. And I'll share with you this one that I haven't even used yet, you guys. And so with these items, I tend to use them on my body as well. But let me just share this one with you again. So you see how this one looks? I was originally thinking I have this pearly white one. I don't need this one. But it's something about those glitter undertones that I was just like, oh yeah, I'm going to get it. And when I tested it in the store, I put some on my lids as to wear like an eyeshadow. And I was like, oh, this is so cute. So it made me get it, you guys. Let me swatch it for you. Do you see what I'm talking about? You see those nice little glitters? It will be a nice topper. You could use it as eyeshadow. So you see that? You see that blue glittery undertone? You can build that up. I was playing around with it in the store, you guys, and I was like, nope, I don't have anything like that in my collection. And I'm going to pick it up, even though I didn't pick it up the first go around. So I was glad I was in store to be able to try this out. I'm going to swatch this pearly white one too, so I can show you the difference. So here is both of the illuminators swatched on my skin. So this first one here is that pearly white right here. So as you can see, it has that glitter, but more of a gold undertone. And then the other one, where you see the blue undertone, is this one right here, from the Ocean collection. And so look at that. Oh my gosh. You see that blue oceany undertone, which I'm so excited about because I'm about to go to the ocean, to Turks and Caicos. So yeah, this one going with me, y'all. So I picked that up and glad I was able to get that, and they still had it. Yay. So lastly, y'all, in here was a little gift from my sales associate. And it says perfumes on here, but I didn't buy any perfume from her. I just got those items. But she was so nice to give me this gift anyway. Why isn't this not open? It's taped. Okay. There we go. Oh, now that is cute. What is it? Oh, it's one of those. Oh, this is acrylic. So this is a camellia flower, you guys. But it's acrylic. It's really heavy. And am I supposed to do something with this? I don't know. It just says compliments of Chanel. If you guys know what I'm supposed to do with this, comment down below. Otherwise, it's going to be decor for me. But it's cute. You know, I collect the camellia flowers, so this is nice to have. It is heavy. So I'm going to put it back in here so it won't break. That's cute. So she gave me that. That's all that's in the box. That's it, except for these little paper-like camellia flowers that she just threw down in the box. But those are the items that I picked up, y'all. And so comment down below if you tried and loved or you didn't like any of these items. Tell me what you think. Let's start a chat down below, you guys. And as always, thank you so, so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.